Or like, I really think that.
Wala, sa presito magpaliwanag, Day.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why?
Because he was too handsome for me. He's like a prince, and I'm like, well, yeah. But then turned out we started talking, and then I found out that he had some sort of like his own history or stories that he can share with people, and then I was like,
Oh, tanggal
okay,
na
I want to know
kasi.
him more. So
I love that. And can I just say, on behalf of all your Filipino fans dying, trust me, both of you are princes. Yes. Thank them all, princes. Okay. Shinta, what was your first impression of Dai? Dai Chisoa? Oh, so he also thought he wouldn't click. Eh, no then.
また会計っぽいし、なんかうるさそうだし。
I guess you're right. Seemed a little too loud, like a little too extroverted, I think, the energy. And now, you know what it is.
今のはすごい可愛いし、甘えも多いし、別人だね。
Wala, nakakakilig
And
ka.
now, he's completely changed his perspective on that. Sobrang cute daw ni Dai. Ang cute naman pala mga naman siya. Alright, you know, here in the Philippines, we love to get to know our fans more, and the best way to do that is actually not through questions, but by playing some very fun games with our guests. So, we're gonna dive into our Daishun first game of the day, and this one is called Stick 'Em Up, Stick 'Em Up, and sure na talagang kikiligin tayo lahat dito sa game na to. Okay, so for this first game, we're gonna get Daishun to please stand up, and then we're gonna ask our friends to stick some notes. Okay, we have to decide who's gonna go first. So for first to do that, let's do rock, paper, scissors. That's boy. Boy. Ay, go de show. Ay, ay, okay, so should loss, which means that you get to choose. Do you want to put the blindfold on first, or do you want Shun to put the blindfold on first? Shun. Okay, let's get the blindfold on Shun. The mechanics are very simple. We're gonna stick some sticky notes or post-its on either Dai or Shun, and the boyfriend will have to get as many within 20 seconds, okay? And the one that's able to get the most amount of sticky notes at the end will win the game, and the loser will have to do a punishment. We will punish the loser. Wow. Ang cute naman ng blindfoldish. Okay, are you ready? So we have Shun-san with the blindfold and Dai with the sticky notes. As many as you can. 20 seconds on the clock. And because it's Shun with the blindfold, sabay-sabay tayo mag-countdown in Japanese para maintindihan niya. Marunong po ba kayo? Marunong kayo? San, ni, ichi, and go. Okay? Eh, hindi naman nakakita. San, ni, ichi, and go. Kaya po? Sabay-sabay. Okay, ready na tayo. Timer, sino nag-time sa atin? Okay na? Alright, Shinsa, 준비 okay desu ka? In 3, 2, 1, go! 20 seconds on the clock. As many and time is up! Stop! Wow, sure! You got almost every sticky note. Sugoi. Hageshi. Very passionate first round. Okay, let's count the sticky notes. Ilan po ba yan? How many do we have? So we won't count these. Eh, just 5? Oh, just 5. 5. Guy, do you think you can beat that? Who's more competitive, you or she? Oh, Dai is more competitive. You guys think Dai can beat that? Nakita dito. Okay. Let's put the blindfold on Dai. Shun will get you to stand up so we can stick the sticky.
Hala!
Okay. You guys don't want to get Japanese? Yes? Ay, ko na pala. Kaya yan. Okay. So 20 seconds on the clock. 5 is the number to beat. Alright.
Hala, ako naman!
Kaya ba? I think the notes aren't sticking to Shun's outfit.
Kuya, ako na!
Ayan, galingan naman natin sa shoes.
Volunteer po ako
Uy.
mag-get. Willing po, willing to help! Willing to help!
Mamaya! Baka! May chance! Sino ba gusto mong makiat dito mamaya? Mamaya, abang-abang lang dyan. May chances din tayo, syempre. Alright. Are you ready? Lalagag lang. Kaya na yan. Okay. Guys, kamusta sa akin? 3, 2, 1, go! Everybody. How many did we get? 5 Oh, 5, which means both of them have to get Okay. 5, go. It's a tie. So both of them
Eh, respeto naman oh!
Because it's a tie. Okay lang ba? Okay lang? Our punishment for the game is go lang pa kami. Pwede mo game. Ay, they have to do 10 push-ups on stage. Wow! Sabay-sabay, isa-isa. Isa-isa lang para may support from the partner.